Sometimes, paintings don't go the way you hope for.
This is a lot harder than I imagined.
You have this idea in your mind, wanting something to go as planned, but you encounter obstacles, you encounter setbacks along the way that make you start to question everything that you're doing.
Mad at myself for even doing it, but hey, what can you do?
You start to question what type of artist you
The
are.
project is a lot harder than I expected.
You start to question, why did you use the materials that you used? You start to even question, why do you even paint?
Not in my painting vibe or in my moods.
But along the way, you're gonna encounter obstacles, you're gonna encounter setbacks and hurdles.
Oh man, I am so tired. My back hurts.
But all you have to do is keep moving forward. Because that's what I did when I did this painting. I painted on a mirror. It was one of the hardest projects I ever encountered. But I am so proud of myself that I continued the journey and I finally did it. It was countless amount of days, countless amount of hours, countless amount of setbacks, but I am finally happy to show you what I did. Here we go.
This is a lot harder than I imagined. So painting on a mirror is a lot harder than I imagined. I didn't think it was gonna be this difficult. What I am going through is some of the paints, of course, because it's a mirror, and I shouldn't have thought of this, is the paint won't adhere to the mirror as best as possible. So instead of it coming out opaque, it's actually coming out transparent. So I can't add layers on top of layers, and it's like really frustrating me. I am gonna step away for the day. I will be back to start this either tomorrow or the next day, or who knows, maybe even ever. Painting is done. On to the next part, which is airbrushing. I think I can get this done. I am not exactly sure. I've never airbrushed on a mirror. When I think of airbrushing on a mirror, I think of just the paint just flowing down. But we'll see. I have no idea. I guess you'll be learning with me. So I experimented a little bit. It didn't come out too well. I tried to use a black transparent color airbrush to kind of give it a shadowing effect, and I don't like how it came out. It came out too blotchy. It didn't adhere to the mirror the way I wanted it to, and it just doesn't look good. It almost takes away from the painting instead of giving it the pop that I wanted. So I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna remove it. I can't just remove it and leave the paint underneath it that was there. So I'm gonna have to get a X-Acto knife or some type of a scraper to scrape the entire paint off. It kind of sucks, but it's part of the process. I'm a little mad at myself for even doing it, but hey, what can you do? You just gotta keep experimenting, because if you don't, you're never gonna learn. That's a good lesson to learn. If you are an artist, or if you want to try something different or something new and you don't know how it's gonna come out or turn out, just try it anyways, because then you can learn for the future. Now I know not to make that mistake, and you can do it too. So I definitely caught a cold during this process. If I sound like nasally, or if my voice sounds a little deeper, please excuse me. I was thinking, how am I going to take a picture of this mirror to display it on my website and not show a reflection of the mirror? Like, I don't want people seeing what's in my house and stuff, even though I already showed them my house. But anyways, I came up with this idea. I want to take the mirror and reflect these white lights behind me onto the wall, projecting just white reflection, and taking the mirror, lifting it up so that you just see the white projection from the mirror. I want to take you through that process to show you how I did it. Like that?
Yeah. Move towards the bed. Towards the bed.
Whoa!
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's good.
Let me see. Well, that's terrible. You don't want to see that.
That's what I said. You see the light.
And the door.
Okay. So freaking annoying.
By the way, guys, this is Keener. She is my partner, and she brings me hell every day.
Now you really see what goes into these pictures.
Alright, so tell me if I need to lift it.
Nailed it.
We got it?
Yeah.
Don't give me 5 until I see it. I like it. Good job. We got it. I am finally done with this painting. I am so happy. I get to move on to the next one. By the way, I have another painting coming up on the mirror, so stay tuned for that one. Make sure you hit that notification bell to stay up to date, whatever you have to do. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, keep in touch. Would love to show you more than what I got.